When you first receive your Porta-Pop, you will need to attach your canopy to the base using the easy velcro applications on each corner. Setting up your Porta-Pop. Step 1. Uncover your canopy. Step 2. Extend the legs. Each leg easily locks into place at your desired height. Step 3. Pull each leg away from the center. Step 4. Pop up the center. Push up from the center until your canopy clicks into place. Make sure to use the 8 Velcro tie-downs around the frame to smooth the edge of your canopy, and you're all set. Once it's in place, use the adjustable tie-down ropes and stakes to secure your Porta-Pop. The fabric is UV and fade resistant to keep it looking new season after season. When you're finished, simply collapse the canopy, fold up, and you're ready to go. The Porta-Pop makes entertaining effortless, whether you're on the go or in your backyard. Porta-Pop, always ready for you.